right, welcome back. Now I get one wonderful book for my hand, When Silence Becomes Too Loud. And the person who actually put this book together, her name is Chidera Nyoma Okoliye. And she currently, there for 500 level law student, now she be of the University of Nigeria, Enugu campus. She na Idijin, na here now go hook myself. She na Idijin of Awo Idemili for inside Osu local government area of Imo State, as she graduates from the Holy Rosary College for inside the year 2010. Now, the born her into the family of 6 in the year 1993. Now, they say she gets zeal for writing. The help of her family and others who believe in her, now she can put this particular piece together. Welcome, Chidera, inside the studio. Chidera, welcome.
Chidera.
Thank you.
Thanks again. No.
You know waiting. No. I actually like this book, and this book will actually link us into our letter from the viewers. So you're going to listen.
Okay.
Make you hear waiting our viewers, our viewers send us, and the letter I just try. Yes, we talk say link. And they try to imagine, say, why you go silent and it can't be loud, actually, but it did true. And they try to think how it go together. But make I not talk too much, because I don't say we can't talk for here and we get guests, so we go talk together. Make I read the letter. It said, talk ladies, una do, you self do. I really enjoy our program. I go like make una help me for this matter. I be married woman, and I know say na only Queen Bee don't marry. Oh, thank you, darling. Woman for una miss. But I believe say una opinion and people opinion go help me decide. Well, we go see whether we go fit help you. As she say, as I did so, I never get speaking, and my husband no they pressure me. Even in family self no they pressure me. But the problem be say one of him sister been they live with us since she gained admission enter school, and she don't they work. She don't finish school, I guess, and she don't they work for better organization. Her brother, will be my husband, we no been they quarrel with her before, suddenly start to fight with her every day. He tell her say me she come up from his house. One day I overhear her they tell say, because I never tell your wife Abi, since then my mind never rests, and I don't know whether make I ask her or my husband. Waiting be the thing we I never hear. I beg me kuna help. So you give me this big load carry today. Thank you so much. But serious, say you never get picking no mean say you go take everything when they throw to you. You understand it? You got to get voice for the marriage, because the voice now make your own house. They
never try anything give her yet. They ensure they love her. They are not pressurizing her.
Yes, but
her family,
still,
the man, not they pressurize her.
But still, for if the girl na really insist her,
that is what we don't know.
Now do if na really insist her, not be saying na one cousin, brother, sister, relative, we can't they stay with them, whether they get one thing for under finger. If make she ask the girl, now family, make she know. Me, I feel say something where you know, you go handle them better than when it just fall on you like surprise. Something where you know. Once it come in like surprise, the shock fit kill person. And with the situation where she they go, yes, I know they pressurize her, but she on her own psychologically, she they go through things, they ask so many questions. So me, I go feel say maybe now the girl should go find way to be friendly with and ask her. I don't know, I know let your silence they too loud. Ask before you leave.
You don't really want to hear what Chidera guys to talk about this particular matter.
Well, if you ask me, you know, the thing with us as human beings, we say, and the thing where you know.
Yeah.
At times, if better you don't know more. At times, so. I'll just give you an example. Say you come find out, say you get HIV. You know, say at that time you go begin to die.
Yes.
Yeah. Before you found out, you know, concern you just let they go. But you just find out, begin to kill you, kind of thing. And you know, I don't know, I'm not married and all, but I've been thinking, say you suppose manage, not be managed, but suppose tolerate some things and all. If she can, I don't know, Sha. I don't know what time. But me,
but for you, Chidera, you're not going to ask your husband. You just leave him like that. Allow things unfold by himself. I believe waiting you talk. For me, the same thing what I would do, because for him to keep him this long, for the sister self to keep him, his supposed cousin to keep him this long, That one means even though say I go meet her and say, honey,
not
I heard you. Tell me. I said the heart of man is desperately wicked. He not go tell you. If man don't want to tell you something, he not go tell you at all. If you like, you put blood all over your body. He not go actually tell you. For me, make she not ask. Now this particular point, now I go do wetin talking market talk. It's good for you to scope sometimes. Yeah, I understand what you talk. Say thing when you not go kill you. But when you don't hear some kind tips,
now we have me.
You need to have the proof on ground.
So, yes, now we have me. They talk, but they say now her mind don't they disturb. She loved the husband, she loved the sister, she liked the house, say they know they disturb her, but she don't they disturb because of just that word.
Yeah.
You know what? Just to kill that sickness where don't they come around you. Try to, if you go fit, take and fine. If you know, investigate. I just feel say,
investigate.
Now 50-50.
Investigate. If the sister like pounded jam before, start to they give her pounded jam.
Go chop pounded jam.
If your husband like
cook
snail, as in, you understand?
I go invest.
No, I feel say everybody need to get good investigating skills.
Yeah.
Because in point like this, the man not go ever tell you if you go meet her.
The lady said no go tell you.
Just try. Get your mind off am, but try to investigate small to find out within the family they actually keep from me, where they don't want make I know. It must be something where if you know, you go run come off from that house.
Yes.
I go investigate. 1.
Of course.
2. What is pounded jam? You're wasting time. Give her wine, make her tipsy. You get only jam.
Not everybody.
She will drink and talk. She will drink and talk.
Let me just keep quiet.
Not be everybody. Not be every me. You give me one, make I talk. I go.
Who is you?
Now that time. Now that time. You don't know where I come from. I go lock up. Now that's why they reminisce with you according to your level.
Give her everything givable.
Just investigate.
But it doesn't have to be her. I can use another person to investigate. Misha, I will find the bottom of the matter.
Yes.
It will take you very long time, but just use sense, wisdom. To say, you can't turn and to quarrel. They go just push you go outside.
Don't ask. Now they love you, they still love you, the man still love you. I just feel that me should not ask her.
So if she really do okay, me should just keep quiet.
Because if she asks, the man go ask, say,
investigate.
where did you hear me say that? The thing I'm telling you about, honey, the thing is that you guys always like to misunderstand a lot of things. I was only telling her that, don't tell my wife this particular, that we're having issues. Oh, the man go cover her up, my darling. You
The
don't have
sister
anything
go
on
cover
ground.
for her.
You not even get voice note on ground. Nothing on ground for you to hold as proof.
On that note,
perfect judge.
I would tell you with other people when they outside. So our regular customer,
Michael
Fresh.
Michael, we love you.
We love you.
Okay, he say, if you ask me, what if person no go here, no they hurt am? No put mind for waiting you hear the sister talk. But then if it use style, ask him why they always fight and quarrel with his sister. We just gain admission.
That's another way.
If you tell you waiting they in mind, and you know talk towards waiting you they fear, if you still ask, if they fight, they no get anything to do with you. From that alone, if your husband won't tell you anything, he go tell you. If he don't tell you anything, comot your mind completely from waiting you don't hear, where you no sure about. No matter how anything hide, one day it go come out for open. And you go always put them to your husband. Say you been given chance to talk. Now so I sabi you. Hashtag talk ladies. Now well done. So Florence Eric Chris Brown, she say, I beg me she ask him. It is either he has a child out of wedlock or maybe in the Colombia his sister. Another one. But truly, in a way, so many things we don't go on for her.
Even when we want to start this show now, the matter will be discussed.
Exactly. So it's very possible. So many. It bet me, I go ask. Even if you don't tell me at least I will get I'll come on my mind from the fact say.
It's even worse.
I go ask
For
my
me,
mind just calm down.
It's even worse. Say I ask you and you not give me good reason.
How you know? Because you don't really
I
keep
no
your
go
mind
wan
for
open my
something.
mouth ask.
Say, you don't really get expectations. Say you mean say this guy they do something.
But you are asking because you don't get expectations. So what are
But
we
I
saying?
just want to
I
ask
don't know
one
what
question.
to expect. I just want to ask
I want to ask one question just out of the blue. It just come my head now. Yes, you want ask question and the man get picking for outside. What thing you want to do?
Oh wow.
No, yes, if you get, you know why? Because they not disturb you.
That one boils down to wait till she talk. Wait till you not go.
Yeah, they not disturb you. You get picking for outside. The picking not disturb you. Why worry?
The family still love you. Call you say my darling. Don't mind that I said pressure.
The only one that will disturb me is they sleep with the sister or he know if he do.
That is it.
Now the ones but say get picking. Thank God say na picking no be bed he born.
One or two more.
Okay, Amusa and Richard, I greet you talk ladies. I will advise the woman to ask her husband, and if the husband no agree, we'll advise her to go to a counselor to ask for advice. You talk ladies are looking beautiful. Thank you. Jamila Mohammed.
Chidera, you do something when she talk counselor.
That's going too far now. Why you go just come out smart way? You just
Smart
counselor.
But how counselors want to chop for this time for now? No, they visit.
Gossip people. Now gossip. People like gossip. Then they do counselor. Not the only counselor.
Chidera not vex, so.
Okay, I'm going to read two more. Okay. Jamila Mohammed go first. He said, just ask your husband. It better make you hear from your husband than from her.
Yes,
because then it will hurt you.
And the last one.
Good point. Tonya Azuka. If na me, I go try dey close to the sister. Beg her and make she know say she be woman like me. Can't keep her secret so that the quarrel between them no go too much. Then I go try monitor something myself. Then can't decide what I go do next. My talk ladies, I hello now. 2 fingers up in the air.
We hello you too. All right, coming after this break, we go. I need to meet Chidera 101, ask her some kind question on top writing. Stay with us, I beg. Not go anywhere.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.